If you're looking to improve your security awareness and protect your systems, Tenable could be the solution you're searching for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Tenable can help you identify vulnerabilities and improve your organization's cybersecurity. Stick around, because I've got an exclusive offer to help you get started for free. Let's dive into the specifics of how Tenable works. First off, Tenable is a comprehensive vulnerability management platform that gives you the tools to continuously assess and manage your organization's security posture. The software helps detect security risks in real time, ensuring you're always ahead of potential threats. Next thing, Tenable's approach to vulnerability scanning is one of the best in the business. It actively scans your network, identifying weaknesses before they become an issue. With detailed reports and risk prioritization, Tenable ensures that you can take quick action on the most critical threats. The fourth thing Tenable does exceptionally well is continuous monitoring. It's not just about scanning once and calling it a day. Tenable provides ongoing monitoring to give you up-to-date visibility into your system, helping you stay ahead of evolving threats. This is critical for maintaining a secure environment over time. Another powerful feature of Tenable is its integration with other tools. You're not working in a silo. Tenable works seamlessly with your existing security tools, allowing you to enrich your vulnerability data with other threat intelligence and data sources. This integration helps to streamline your security operations, making everything more efficient. Moving on, Tenable also offers comprehensive reporting. These reports are designed to help you clearly understand your vulnerabilities and risk exposure. By translating technical data into actionable insights, Tenable allows your team to make informed decisions on how to fix issues quickly and effectively. Next thing, Tenable also provides compliance management features. If you're in an industry with strict regulatory requirements, Tenable helps ensure your systems remain compliant with standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. This helps you avoid potential fines and reputational damage. And finally, Tenable offers a unique approach to improving security awareness within your organization. It gives your security team the visibility and knowledge they need to educate the rest of your employees about security risks. Building a security-conscious workforce is a key component of reducing risk, and Tenable makes that process much easier. Now, here's the best part. If you're interested in trying Tenable for yourself, I've got an exclusive offer just for you. You can use the software completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll get some awesome bonuses when you sign up. To recap, Tenable helps improve security awareness by giving you the tools you need to detect vulnerabilities, stay on top of risks, integrate with existing tools, and maintain compliance, all while helping you educate your team on the importance of security. So, if you want to take advantage of this exclusive offer and get a head start on improving your security posture, don't forget to check out that link below. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to security, being proactive is the key to success. Get started today with Tenable and take control of your cybersecurity.